This is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. I have a face device, a facial machine. This is something with the radio facial machine. That means it can fix your wrinkles in your face, at your neck, other places. It has different functionality. Beautiful box here. You can use this one with a cream. It comes with a cream. Price would be different which place you are. So let me unpack this one here. Let me take this off from here. You see how the machine looks. A manual we have here. Lovely. All the information is written. Different button, different functionality. You can see. This is from Masderm.com. Masderm. Here the main machine. I will take this off from here. More things, maybe some cable, other stuff. It should be. Here we go. As I know, here we have some cable. Let's see what we have, which type of cable this is. Lovely DC C port, you can see here. So you can charge with your charger of iPhone, Samsung, whatever you want. I put one side. Here a beautiful cotton for clean the device. You can see lovely. And a guarantee card from Masderm. Gracias por tu confianza. That is written in Spanish. Other information. Friday also written in Spanish and English both. Manufacture, other things is not written in the box exactly. Rare. I don't know exactly from here, for French or Spanish, whatever. So here is the main machine. I take this off, guys. You see how beautiful, handy the machine is. You hold at your hand. Here you have different functionality. Masderm. Here you can charge at the bottom as usual with C port. Beautiful machine. Has a good grip. So I hit here plus button. Hold few seconds. Nothing happens. Okay, here this is the power button. You see green is one functionality. Maybe here clean, you see it said the functionality. This is clean option. The lid clean as this. Okay, so this is clean. I change here. This is import functionality. Then I put EMS. No, exactly don't know what is radio something. Intensity you can increase. You have a display. You see intensity. This is RF red. Intensity as this here. Lovely. And if you press, should close. Lovely. Very active and fast machine, guys. Okay, guys. So this is unboxing of Masderm facial machine to fix your wrinkle or the stuff in your face. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.